So this is a phony peach site. In this particular site, it has not been aggressively rogued as far as removing trees as they've developed phony peach. And it's actually harder to find trees that do not show phony peach symptoms. Here you see one that's actually dying. These trees that are showing these symptoms, that's not armillaria, that's actually phony peach. Here you finally see a normal tree. Just a very aggressive pathogen in this particular site. Look at all these trees. Again, you can see some normal trees in the background, but predominantly phony peach trees here. Now we still debate whether or not we should remove trees because the insect may not prefer a phony peach tree versus a healthy tree. But in the site where phony peach has not been removed, this is what we're seeing. Again, you can see probably 80 to 90% of these trees have phony peach. You can see this dieback on limbs as a result. In some cases we have a leaf discoloration that you're observing. And when you just look around, again, you can see a few healthy trees. Here's a phony peach tree with an obviously healthy tree next to it. But what you see is the vast majority of the trees in this site are infected. And whether or not, again, the spread from the vectors is causing this by not removing these trees, there's also root to root spread, which could potentially be important as well. So it's an impressive disease in the locations where it does occur. And again, not removing trees, I would say at this point, just based on this observation, is somewhat questionable. Again, you see all those small trees, probably 80 to 90% loss. You can see in the background one or two trees where they stick up that are not infected. The vast majority of trees actually are showing phony peach symptoms. Very impressive as far as diseases go.